Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain about is error DAX function in Power BI desktop. Okay, see this here. This is error DAX function syntax is error and apply any value column. Okay, see this here. I'm already prepared some data. See this here. This is a error column. See this in this place showing infinity. Infinity means it's called infinity symbol. See this infinity is a error. So now let's now start to write is error DAX function. Click new column and type here is error. See this here. Check whether a value is an error and returns true or false. Okay. Let's check this function. Let's says error. Okay. See this here. Let's check this function. See this is error is a function name, sales is a table name, error is a column name. See this here. In this place have error, so it's automatically shows true. Remaining values all are showing false. In this place don't have any errors. Okay, this is error DAX function in Power BI desktop.